All right, let's take a look at this. This is a good question. Lots of stuff going on here. So explaining where these are. So the apothem is a segment that goes from the center of a polygon to the midpoint of the side. And that always is going to be at a right angle. So the apothem here, here, and here. So the apothem for the square is going to be from the center to the midpoint of a side. And so that would be an apothem, and the same thing for a pentagon be here. I just realized, it's going to the midpoint of any side, be the apothem. So something like this. And I'm just approximating just to give you an idea, but it goes to the midpoints and that will hit at a right angle. Okay, so side lengths, let me change the color. So side lengths are of course the outside. So this triangle has 3 side lengths, 1, 2, 3. Square has 4, 2, 3, 4. And by the way, in a square, the side length is twice as long as the apothem, as the apothem goes to the center and have the same amount of distance to the other side. So that's true there. And then 5 side lengths in this pentagon. So those are the side lengths. Okay, change colors and the height. So the height is a line that goes from one side to the opposite vertex. And so that would be the height of this triangle, and that is always at a right angle as well. So the height here in the square, we would think of it actually as a side length, because think about that is already at a right angle. And so the height is the same as the side length. And here, this would be the height from the base to the opposite, sort of top angle, you can think of it. So that is a height. So height is always at a right angle. And then we have slant height. New color for that. So slant height, you see when you are looking at more of a 3-dimensional figure instead of a polygon. And so slant height is sometimes given, in this case here or here. These are the slant heights. Now, most, well, volume formulas are going to use a vertical height, which is an altitude. So, it's going to be the one at the right angle. But the slant heights are the ones that are slanted. They are at an angle to a point, and they are not at a right angle, so a different angle. I hope that is helpful. These are all slant heights that I'm showing you in green here, because none of those are at right angles. If we wanted to see a right angle, it would be this line continued here, somewhere right here. This would give us this vertical height. That's not a slant height. It is at a right angle, so it would be the height that we would use. All right, I hope that helps.